Hello, greetings, and welcome to my channel. As you can probably tell, I am just starting out on my content creation journey, and I'm currently trying out a few ideas I have and making videos on them, both for YouTube and on Rumble. This is going to be the first video in a blog or vlog on my trying to establish myself as a relatively successful trader. Although I have limited experience in trading and started just over a year ago, I believe I have generated a plan that fits my current level of trading ability and will at least be fun to do. I will keep a record of all my trades, successful or not, and provide a running total of my profits or losses for 1 year. I did not want to trade long term, as I have tried that and recognise that it is not suitable for my current situation. My plan is to ride waves of upturns or downturns in trends and in particular stocks that I select on a daily or even hourly basis, setting myself a daily target and trying to reach and hopefully breach it. I will be starting with just over $600, which I have grown from around $400 in December. I have set myself some guidelines to follow. I will generally look at withdrawing from a trade once I'm around $10 in profit. I will trade daily on different stocks that I feel will provide a profit, even if it is only for a few dollars, and then I will switch between trades as I see fit. I will be able to use the EU trading on my free days and the US stock markets daily. Sometimes you can get a feel on the EU markets of how the US markets are going to react. I will keep a total of my starting and finishing amounts, that will be daily, and an ongoing total of my progression over the year. This trading mission will be for 1 year, starting from Thursday the 2nd of January 2024, and will run for 12 months until the 2nd of January 2025. Hopefully you can be there for this journey, and maybe I can offer you some tips, advice or information. I will be using the eToro app, which I have had for around a year and have access to stocks and crypto. Day 1, January the 2nd, 2024. I began the day trading Caxiabank, ticker symbol CABK.MC, a Spanish banking company that I had invested in previously, and on every time they have let me down. Never want to give up. I invested in it in the morning, and by the time I closed the trade at 2 o'clock, ready for the US market open, I had made around about $8. A stock I have been following on the US stock market is for a company called Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. I have been following this company for 12 months and have seen the share price grow from $19 to $20 a share up to $70 to $80 a share currently. That is quite an increase over 12 months. Unfortunately, I did not have the funds available at the time to profit on this company as the stock went up. That company are involved in AI technology and have given me experience and knowledge in the AI sector, so I have been following another company called Soundhound, ticker symbol SOUN, who are also involved in the AI industry. That company has seen an increase from $13 a share to around $25 a share in the time that I have been watching. I think this kind of volatility is relatively uncommon when trading on stocks such as these, but it is what I am hoping to exploit and hopefully be able to make hay while the sun shines. Soundhound has fallen over the past week, now being around $20 a share. Given the breaks in trading for Christmas and New Year and the weekend, I was unsure how the market would react. I was therefore hesitant in opening a position with Soundhound, but I knew that the volatility would still be present. I opened a position that did initially increase and gained a profit of $25, but given the volatility of Soundhound over the past few weeks, it has either gone in one direction or the other and continued on in that direction, so I assumed it would increase even more. My attention was then drawn away from the trading platform, and when I returned, my position had become negative. I have seen losses be regained with this stock, so I was reluctant to close the position, but as I was unsure of what might happen, I ended up closing in a negative figure. Whilst I only lost $7 or $8, I could have walked away with 25, and that is about my target for the day. It taught me another valuable lesson. I have fallen in love with this stock, and it is a great provider when you get it right. But you need to get in, get up, and get out. And that is my new mantra. I opened another position with Soundhound, and again the stock fell, leaving me with another negative figure, another loss taken away from the profit in the morning. But I wasn't done yet, and again for a third time I rebought Soundhound later that evening. It was slower going, but the stock did go up, and by market close I was $12 in front. I didn't think the stock was finished though, so unusually, for me anyway, I left the money in overnight and didn't close the trade before market close.